Hello guys, I'm Shweta Huja and today I'm back with a new feature update of Microsoft Teams. So our educators who are taking online classes with Microsoft Teams were desperately waiting for this feature. Now being a teacher, you can start the meeting and you can give the permission to your students to join the class. Without your permission, they'll not be able to join the meeting or start the meeting. So without wasting time, I'm telling you how you can do those settings. So let's assume that we have already created this English class 5A meeting. You need to click on the scheduled meeting. You will get meeting options on top. Click on it. And here, the first line, who can bypass the lobby? And the default option is people in my organization, which means that your students, your teachers who are part of the organization, who are part of your school, can directly enter into the meeting. When you click on this drop down menu, you have the only me section, only me option. This option was not there earlier, but Microsoft has recently given this option to you, which means that now only you will be able to directly enter into the meeting, and when you will give the permission to your students by clicking on the admit button, only then they'll be able to enter into the meeting. So now your students will not be able to start the meeting without your permission or join the meeting without your permission. Also in this, you have who can present option. Maybe you are clear with this thing, but let me give you a quick revision of this who can present option. And this by default, it is on everyone. You need to change from everyone to only me. And then click on save. Now what will happen is only you will have the presenter rights, which means your students will only join as attendee and they'll not have the permission to mute other students or remove other students or change the permission of other participants. So enjoy your teaching or your learning with Microsoft Teams. Take care. Bye-bye.